Welkom terug. Jy's ingeskakel by Winslyn. Ons bespreek vanaand alle aspekte van verpakking en by my in die ateljee is Bill Marshall van die Instituut vir Verpakking van Suid-Afrika. Bill, welcome to Winslyn. What's the role of the Institute of Packaging SA?
Thanks, Ivan. Thanks for the opportunity. The Institute of Packaging South Africa is an association of individuals engaged and related to the packaging industry. The whole purpose of this group of people is to promote packaging as a profession and to promote excellence in packaging, building up the industry in South Africa and beyond our borders as well in Africa.
So for somebody that really doesn't know your industry that well, I'll always ask, but why is it important? Why should people become more professional? Why should people become more professional in packaging? Why is that important?
As a part of the global economy, it's very important for us to be competitive. And so therefore we have to have international standards and even beyond that. We want to be leaders in many fields, and we'll be able to do it here in this country as well.
Yeah. So one part that you are talking about is the importance of education. Talk us through it. If I'm a young person out there and I say, well, yes, this is an industry that I could be interested in, what's my options?
The art and science of packaging is incredibly complicated, and there are not many opportunities in Southern Africa to study and to improve your skills as a packaging professional. And that's why the Institute set about creating a 4-tier packaging education system. We start off with an introduction to packaging course. It's a short course, but it's meant to introduce school leavers and those new to the industry in the jargon, the terminology of packaging. What is packaging all about? Just to give them an overview and understanding of what packaging is all about. We then move on to our 1-year diploma course, which is a part-time course because most of our students are already employed, but they are in the packaging industry and they're wanting to improve their skills, or their employers are wanting to improve their skills. And it's a 1-year, very thorough insight into packaging, the substrates, the technology, the economies, what it's particularly now about the sustainable economy and extended producer responsibility. All the topical issues are dealt with in that course. And then from there, the student would want to move on to management. Once they've had a number of years experience in the industry and they want to now move into a managerial position, we have an advanced packaging diploma course, which teaches them more how packaging fits into the overall economy, how it fits into corporations, companies, and the responsibility of packaging producers. And then there's the ultimate, which we call the Certified Packaging Professional. And this is a designation that we've offered with the Institute of Packaging Professionals of the United States and the World Packaging Organization, where someone who can prove their skills in experience and academically can put that initial CPP after their name, indicating that they are truly a certified packaging professional.
So obviously there's one big part to packaging, and is that creative agency. So it's me as a client briefing an agency to say, well, I need some form of packaging solution. How do you ensure that agencies understand packaging so that they produce the best possible work?
It's very important to have designers with an understanding of what the technology of packaging is all about. My own personal experience is that years ago in South Africa, they were very few and far between. And we're very proud of the fact that a number of agencies now have specialist packaging designers who understand the technology of packaging, that can design from the very beginning of creating packaging that's going to work into, as I say, into the topics of the day, sustainability, the circular economy, and extended producer responsibility.
So obviously one way to promote an industry and to grow it is to give some awards. That's part of it. So the Gold Pack Award, what's that all about?
Now you're talking to my heart, because as the convener of the Gold Pack Awards are like the Oscars of the packaging industry. It's the premier event for the industry, run annually, where we acknowledge and credit outstanding and excellent packaging. The Gold Trophy winner is an item of packaging that the country and the industry can be justifiably proud. Something truly excellent and different that's setting itself apart from the rest.
And then you've got the Student Gold Pack Award. It's new. What's it about?
Yes, well, that came out of the 1-year diploma in packaging, where they do a practical assignment. And we wanted to add a little bit of fun to it. So we sort of awarded a prize to the most creative, innovative, interesting packaging practical assignment that they did. But this led on to something more. So that was for the packaging technology students, but we saw the opportunity to offer it to design students as well. So we set design students in universities and colleges a challenge, a problem, a packaging issue that they needed to solve and come up with a creative solution. So we have that annually as well.
SMEs, we know that that's where we're going to create jobs. It's always this perception that only big players can get involved in packaging. Can a small player have any impact?
Yes. The packaging industry from the outside looks like it's controlled and by these big major companies, but there are thousands of, I like to call them backyard packaging producers. It is possible to set up a packaging converting production facility in your garage. It really depends what in part of the industry you wanted to go into. And if you're creative and find a creative solution, there are many opportunities in South Africa for the smaller brand owner, the smaller producer, the smaller entrepreneur who's come up with a great idea. They require packaging.
Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate
Been a
that.
pleasure, Devin.
Baie dankie dat jy saam gekyk het hierdie week. Onthou om ons op sosiale media te volg indien jy dit nog nie doen nie. Ons is by Winslyn TV. Ons sien mekaar weer volgende week. Intussen hou mekaar positief, wees braaf en moenie ophou planne maak nie.